and it's not even my birthday. Actually, what it is called the Apollo Surprise Subscription Box. And Apollo reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review one of their surprise subscription boxes. And I said, sure, who doesn't like surprises? Apollo boxes have two different types of surprise boxes. You can choose between jewelry or random items. Now, I'm not much of a jewelry person, so I prefer to be surprised by some random items. And I got to take a little survey. They asked me about some of my interests, and I'm gonna show you what they sent me. Let's see if they got it right. So let's open the box. Oh boy. I see lots of packing peanuts. Come on now, Apollo, don't you know that these are not good for the environment? But let's see. Oh, okay, I don't really want to see, but they did send me some cards that talks about what's inside the box, and I'm going to put them aside for right now because I want to be surprised. And they gave me a little packing list here. Again, I'm not going to look at it too closely because I want to see what came in this box. So the first item is, okay, this is a pet care cup. And I have no idea what a pet care cup is. Oh, okay, look, there's a little doggy on the side of the box. Okay, so when you're out walking your dog, you can fill it with like treats and water or something. So, so it's a portable pet dog water bottle. And actually it says on this sheet that it retails for around $13. So, and it has a little thing here so you can hang it up with you. I think my dog would really like this. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, there's a little strap. Wow. I'm like, did they give me food in this? I didn't even see that when I opened it the first time. This is kind of cool. It's nice for like when you're taking your dog on walks, you're taking your dog to the park and he gets a little thirsty and he can have a little drinky poo out of this little bottle. And it locks so that it won't spill until you're ready to use it. What's next? Oh, nice. So this is a wireless charger. My husband has been talking about getting one of these, and now I got one. Sweet. All right, so let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, so it's like a little plate, and it has a little USB cord. My family were really into gadgets and stuff, so this is going to come in really handy. So this charging pad, they say it retails for about $7.52. So that's not, I mean, that's pretty inexpensive, but we'll find out if it works. What else is in here? Hey, so this, someone's texting me. Okay, so anyway, this is a Leonardo da Vinci tank, a working recreation of Leonardo da Vinci's 15th century armored vehicle. I didn't know he had a thing like this. Okay, but it looks like, oh, okay, so this is like a model kit. You know what? My husband and my son are really going to enjoy this because my husband is really into Leonardo da Vinci and kind of like steampunk things and stuff. This is a project that they can work on together. So I think that's kind of cool. I like that. It makes a really nice gift for someone. This science, they call it a science kit, retails for about $16.88. So, okay, I think that's really fun. All right, there's one more item left. Okay, so I see an eyeglass case here. Let's see what's inside. Some glasses. These are some amazing steampunk goggles. Remember what I said that we're kind of into steampunk? There we go. All right, how do they look? Oh my goodness, the whole world is red. I am looking through rose-colored glasses. And these glasses retail for about $20. I'm really kind of digging them. They're kind of fun. I don't know how often I'll wear them. They might actually look cuter up on top of my head. What do you think? To go with some of my steampunk outfits. What a fun box. So this box is actually the $30 subscription box. They also have a $50 subscription box with a lot more goodies inside. I think this is really fun. So you can enjoy a surprise monthly, quarterly, however long you want. And even if you don't like some of the items inside, you can just give them to someone as a gift. Why not, right? I mean, who wouldn't want to be surprised? The Apollo box alone is an awesome gift to give somebody. So thank you for sharing this Apollo box surprise experience with me. If you're interested in checking out the Apollo box, I'll put the link below. And I want to thank them for sending me this goodie box. And I want to thank you, of course, for watching.